This is a 1986 Cool Breeze 16-inch table fan, model FL-T-1616B. Got this fan from the garbage. It ran perfect. The only thing wrong with it was the front grill was taken off, but it was there, and the motor cover had no screw in it to hold it on because the post that attaches to the back of the motor cover and goes inside to about here was broken off. So I fixed that by getting a long screw and a washer. Other than that, the fan had nothing at all wrong with it other than being really dirty and covered in like motor oil and stuff. So I'm assuming it was used in some kind of a shop or something. It did come from a guy's house that had a bunch of like lawnmowers and stuff out in front of it. So basically his house looked like mine. Well, mine are out back, but same difference. So it was probably used in a shop or something. So really don't know why it was thrown away if it was like a shop fan. I don't understand how the motor cover falling off could be a big issue with a shop fan, because if you think about it, who the heck's gonna care anyways? But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.